MySQL missing on Ubuntu? Start with the actual failure. The MySQL client is missing, so update apt and install mysql-server from Ubuntu packages. After apt finishes, run mysql version. That proves the client is on path and the server package installed. MySQL is a database service, not just a command. Check systemd, ping the local server with mysqladmin, then run a version query through sudo mysql. If all three pass, the daemon is alive and local admin access works. Now create something an app can use. Create the app database, create a local app user with a password, grant privileges only on that database, and show the database exists. This is safer than using root from your application. Here is the confusing Ubuntu moment: access denied for root at localhost. Ubuntu's MySQL root account commonly uses socket-based local admin access. So do admin work with sudo mysql, and let applications connect with their own password user. Final proof: connect as the app user, create a tiny table, insert one row, and read it back. When the query returns the app user in one row, MySQL is not just installed, it is ready for development.